Hey guys, welcome back. So we will continue with intermediate algorithm scripting. Today I'm going to solve wherefore art thou. Okay, we need to make a function that looks through an array of objects, which is the first argument, and returns an array of all objects that have matching name and value pairs, which is the second argument. Each name and value pair of the source object has to be present in the object from the collection if it is to be included in the returned array. So here's an example. We have this array of objects. One object is this one with the first name Romeo, last name Montague, or I don't know how you pronounce that. Then is Mercutio, the first name, and the last name is Null. And then we get Tybalt Capulet. Okay. And the second argument is this object with a key with a property last and the value Capulet. So we must return the third object, this one, because it has also the property name and the value the same as the second argument. Okay, so here is the function. We have the collection and the source, which is an object, and this one is an array of objects. Okay, so first thing we need to do, I think we should get all the properties from this source object, because it might be more than one. In this case we have only one, but yeah, okay, for this example we have an object with two properties. So first let's extract all the properties so we can use them to check, to perform the checks. Okay, I'm going to declare a variable props, and it is going to, we're going to use a method keys, which takes the object source, and what this does is just extract the properties. It gives us an array of properties from this object. So in this case it should give us last. Okay, let's console log this. Props. Yep, okay. But if we had more than one property here, it would give us the array of all the properties. Okay, so I think the shortest way to do this is to use filter. So I want to filter through all the collection and get only the objects that fulfill the condition. So we want to return this array, and I'm going to make this array the filtered collection. So I'm going to do collection.filter. Okay, so now we are iterating through all the objects in the collection. So I'm going to do this object. Let's go into a new line so it's easier. What we want to check in this object, we want to check that all the properties of this object, so all the properties here, all the props are in this object, and that the values of these props from the source are the same in the object. Okay, so I think the best way to check for all the properties is to use the method every. Okay, if you remember, we learned about that a little while. So what this every does is it iterates through all the properties to check for each one in one object of the collection. Okay, and I have to write another function here, prop. This one. So this is the same as having two nested loops. Okay. Now, what I want to check here is that object has own property. This is the method to check if it has a property with the name prop. Okay, so this is the first thing we want, but we also want that the value at that property for object, so object, I'm using the bracket notation prop, should be equal to source prop. Okay, so this will check so this condition will check if the object has the property and it has the same value as the source. And we need this to be true for every property. That's why we are using every. If it's not, so if it's true for every property, this one will return true. So filter will do its thing. If this one returns false, so even if one property is missing, one property of the source is missing in the collection, or it doesn't have the same value, then this will return false. So it will be filtered out. Okay, which is exactly what we want in this case. I think this one should do it. Let's maybe clean this up a little bit. Okay, so this one should work. Let's run the test. Yep, it does. Yeah, it does it. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to keep these videos short, only one exercise per video, so it's easier also for you to check out the solution in my playlist. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon as always. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.